Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is a follow-up video for the video above on my bedroom makeover, and this video will be on how I painted my dresser. Now if you have an old dresser and you don't want to throw it out but you want to paint it, stay tuned, watch this video. So first you need to get a jumbo garbage bag cut at the end of the bag, so not the opening but the end of the garbage bag. Once that's done, you need to open the garbage bag and then cut along the sides of the bag. Lay the bag flat on the ground and then you're going to place the dresser on top of the garbage bag. The items I'll be using are household gloves, paintbrush, sandpaper, and this oil paint. I got everything here from a Super Center Spanish Town. Make sure to get the correct size gloves because this gloves was super tight. So check the size. The next step is to sand the furniture. You don't have to sand the entire finish off and you don't have to spend a lot of time on this. You just want to ensure that you remove the glossy finish so that the paint can adhere more easily. Next, wipe it down with a wet cloth to remove it from all the dust from sanding. I will be using this painter's tape to ensure that I don't get any paint on the glass of the dresser. Now let's get the ball rolling. Now you want to ensure that you apply the paint in one direction. There will be streaks, but don't worry. You're going to go over this once more and it will get rid of the streaks. So you see it's looking kind of crazy now, but once I go over it, it will look smooth. Now, if you realize I have painted over the knobs on the dresser, but I don't care too much for the knobs. But if you do, I would recommend that you remove them first and then paint. The next thing, try not to let the paint drip because it will leave obvious marks in the furniture. So take your time. So I'm applying the final coat and see, look at that, it's applying nicely. So remember, you need to go in one direction. And that's the final look. Thanks again guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment on this video. See you next time.